Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP bank deposit tutorial. We're going to walk through how to create a bank deposit in the system. So let's pull up the bank deposit module. And the first thing we're going to be greeted with is a pop-up window showing us all the undeposited payments in the system. So basically in the system, what you're going to want to do when doing a bank deposit is you can take some of these undeposited payments and put them into another bank account. So let's say I want to add this one and this one to the bank deposit. You can see on the top left here as the total gets summed up of these two that I've selected. So if I select this one, it's going to add up, and if I unselect it, it'll go back. You can use the search feature here as well to search through undeposited payments. So once I've selected the two, or how many ever I want that are part of this bank deposit, I just click on add. And I can always go options, add payments, and it's going to show me the same screen as before. So let's close this. So what we want to do is we want to select the bank account that this is being deposited to in this field. Select your currency and the date of the bank deposit. And you can add a memo here as well. So I can say May bank deposit. And you can add some lines here as well. So let's say we wanted to add another bank deposit. So let's say we wanted to do it for May 1st. We can add a store here as well. We can associate an entity with this deposit line. And we can say that this deposit line is coming from this undeposited funds account. And we can select a payment method. Let's put in an amount. And just click on add. And so you can see here that, that these three lines, these two are considered linked because they were fetched from the payments window, and so they already exist in the system, whereas this third one isn't linked. We're just creating it right here from these fields up at the top. So you can make edits of these lines as well. You can change the memo and check and amount here. The ones that are fetched from the system, the linked ones, those ones you won't be able to change because they're already transactions that exist in the system. And at the bottom here, you can see some cashback features. So if there's a cashback amount, you can choose your account, put in the amount and a memo if necessary. And once everything's finalized in your bank deposit, just click on save, click OK, and the bank deposit's been created.